Oregano is a herb that is commonly used in cooking, particularly in Mediterranean and Mexican cuisine. It is known for its strong, pungent flavor and aroma, which can add depth and complexity to a variety of dishes. Some of the health benefits associated with oregano include: it is a good source of antioxidants, which can help to protect the body against damage from harmful molecules called free radicals. Oregano has anti-inflammatory properties, which can be helpful in reducing inflammation in the body and may help to alleviate symptoms of conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. Oregano contains compounds that have antimicrobial properties and may help to fight off bacterial and fungal infections. Some studies suggest that oregano may help to boost the immune system, which can help to protect the body against colds and flu. It has small amount of vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and iron in it. Oregano oil, extracted from the leaves, has uses in aromatherapy, beauty treatments, and alternative medicine for medicinal properties. It is important to note that the above-mentioned benefits are mainly from consuming the dried or fresh leaves and not from supplements. Oregano supplements have not been proven to have such benefits, and it is important to use them only under the guidance of a qualified healthcare professional. Some common ways to use oregano include: cooking. Oregano is a popular herb in Mediterranean and Mexican cuisine, and it is often used to add flavor to dishes such as pizza, pasta sauces, soups, stews, and marinades. It can be added to the dish during the cooking process or sprinkled on top as a garnish. Dry rubbing. To make dry rubs, you can mix dried oregano with other spices like cumin, paprika, and garlic powder and use it to season meats, fish, and vegetables before cooking. Infusing oils. Oregano can be used to infuse olive oil or other types of oil to make flavorful oils for dressings, marinades, and dips. Teas. Oregano can be used to make tea by steeping dried or fresh leaves in hot water for several minutes. The tea has benefits for digestion and respiratory system. Oregano oil. Oregano oil can be used as an alternative medicine for respiratory issues and skin problem. However, one should use them after consulting a doctor. It is important to note that oregano can be quite strong, so it's best to use it sparingly and to taste. A little goes a long way, and using too much can overpower other flavors in a dish. When using dried oregano, keep in mind that the flavor will be more intense than fresh oregano.